Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start right at the tire, park on level ground and set the parking brake, because stability matters. Once the car is secure, remove any visible debris from the tread and inspect the puncture to understand its size and position. Now, shake the Fix-A-Flat can vigorously for about 20 seconds. This mixes the sealant and propellant. Make sure to keep the can upright and read the label icons so you know what pressure range to expect after inflation. You next move quickly but carefully to the valve stem, remove the cap, and if needed, straighten the valve core. Once ready, attach the Fix-A-Flat nozzle securely. Make a tight connection so sealant goes into the tire instead of leaking out. Press the can steadily. You'll hear a hiss as sealant and propellant flow. Continue until most product leaves the can, then check tire pressure with a gauge and inflate to the vehicle's recommended PSI for safe driving. After injecting, you must drive right away. Go 3 to 5 miles at a moderate speed so the sealant distributes and seals the puncture uniformly. Once stopped, recheck the tire pressure and make sure it holds. If you still see a slow leak or pressure drops quickly, do not continue long-distance driving, switch to your spare or call roadside assistance. Finally, make sure to have the tire inspected and professionally repaired or replaced within 24 to 48 hours to avoid rim or tire damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.